Oh.
Okay, then, here we go. Let's see what instruments we got.
I got raccoon.
Nice, that's it. So, yeah, that's it. So just jam along with me. However you feel. It's a bit more of a gentle wake up. This is. Good morning. Good morning to you. Yeah. I say good morning. Good morning to you. Yeah, nice bit of harmonica.
Like that, you want?
Very good. Yeah, beautiful, Tony.
Fine.
You want?
Yeah. I hope you're feeling fine.
Go to red or not?
I hope you're feeling fine. How are you today? That's it. Quinton and I jamming together now. Go for it, Quinton. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning to you. Hope you're feeling fine. Hope much feeling fine. I hope you're feeling fine. How are you today? There you are. It's a little bit different today. I changed it a little bit, see.
It's good.
I was getting a bit fed up with the old Good Morning song, so I thought I'd do different chords. Just for a change. Even I get bored. Okay.
You're happy, Stuart?
Yeah, not too bad yet. How are you guys?
Yeah, no, I'm doing better. It was a bit of a shock about the Duke in Bedford, but I feel quite pleased that I've met him.
Oh, must tell us about that in a bit. Yeah, we're going to
Yeah,
do a little tribute.
Saw him for a bit, didn't I?
Today, because you can see behind me, I've got my.
Didn't really
You
get.
see my Union Jack, Sarah?
But I saw him for a bit.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah. So we're going to do some a fun, a light-hearted, fun tribute today. So nothing song, but just good fun.
That would be nice, because all last week, I know it's very sad, but all last week, all the radios were playing some really depressing songs. I was like, oh, I don't think I can cope with this anymore.
Oh no! If I live to be 99, I'll be a very, very happy man.
Yeah. Yes, I think 99 is amazing.
Yeah, amazing. Shame didn't make it 100, but
Joe.
What
song have you written about it?
It's good to celebrate. Once
it certainly is.
Once the initial shock is gone, then you can celebrate. I think.
I haven't written
Okay.
anything about him.
I did. I just made the words up in the dream.
Did you?
Another quick warm up though first. If you're happy that you're here, show us a smile.
Oh.
Let's do some smiling. If you're happy and you know it, give us a smile.
Hooray!
Yeah, if you feel so good to be here, the lockdown will disappear. If you're happy and you know it, give us a smile. That's it. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. Wave to everybody. That's it. Good to see you. I'm waving to Will, Quinton, everybody, waving to Claire. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really gotta show it. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. Yes. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head.
Nod.
We've been missing all our friends, but as soon as the lockdown ends, we'll be happy and we know it. Here we are.
Here we are.
That's good. So yeah, had quite a good day yesterday. I did my first face-to-face session with the little group
Oh,
over in Fareham. A little
How
group
did
of
it go?
eight guys, really well. So they've got a new scout hut over there that's all kind of, everyone's nicely spaced apart, and
Aw.
everything's washed within an inch of its life, you know, that
Yeah.
sort of thing. And even I did my
No
test.
germs allowed. No viruses allowed there.
Yeah, I did my flow test before I went and everything. So
Yeah.
so that's good. So I shall pass on all my findings from yesterday on to Coda when I go in for a meeting. So that's
Yeah.
good. At least someone's gone and done one. So it's possible.
Yeah.
Right. Anyway, we're gonna celebrate the life of Prince Philip.
Yay.
Who is now? Do you know who he's married to? Who was he married to?
The Queen.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. He lived a very long, happy life. So we're gonna do some fun things. So we're gonna start with him getting married. Yeah.
The Queen. Married.
Love and marriage. Love and
Married.
like a
married
golden
morning.
carriage. Right. Okay. Take a little bit of sway. Love and marriage. Love and marriage. Go together like a golden carriage. Let me tell you, brother, you can't have one without the Queen Mother. Love and marriage. Love and marriage. Go together like a golden carriage. Ask your local gentry, and they will say try to separate them. It's an illusion. Try, and you come to this conclusion. You say, love and marriage, together like a horse and carriage. Dad was told by mother, you can't have one, you can't have one, you can't have one without the other. Love and marriage, go together like a golden carriage. Let me tell you, brother, you can't have one, you can't have one, you can't have one without the other.
Hey, good.
That's it.
Thanks, Stuart.
But she wasn't queen when they got married, was she?
No.
She was just a princess.
Yes.
Yeah, she was staying in treetops.
Treetops, that's the place, yeah. In which country was it?
Africa.
Somewhere in Africa, wasn't it?
South
Nigeria?
Africa.
Oh, I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, Kenya.
Anyway, so that's the marriage. And I'm going to go to somewhere they liked. Somewhere they used to go on holiday.
Scotland.
Yeah, they did. That's the one, yeah. And I thought, no, it must be a song about Balmoral. But I couldn't find one, so I've used I'm going to Barbados, and I've changed it, and I've rewritten it to I'm going to Balmoral.
Spain.
Sounds good, Stuart.
To go, whoa, we're going to Balmoral.
Back to the castle.
Yeah, who fancies that? Up to Balmoral. They're remembering all the happy times. Okay.
Where is the singing that yourself?
So we need all the maracas. There's a
All
lot
the
of
Christmas
feedback.
bells. I bet you need
bells.
Christmas bells. Yeah.
All the bells, all the shakers, harmonica. We need all going on now. Yeah. And the drums, Will, you as well.
Yay.
Okay, because we've got to get groove. We've got to get a real reggae groove going on now for this. It's a new song which we've written called "Well, Going to Balmoral." When we write the full musical,
Yeah.
the Prince Philip the musical, this will be one of the main songs.
Right.
Oh, we're going
Sign us
to
all up,
Marlborough.
That's it. Okay. Here comes the rhythm. Yeah, that's it. Tony's got the idea. Oh, Lola. It's Lola. I remember Lola.
I was on the
Come on,
Caribbean
Tony, put your
Sea.
pens down.
Stormy but
Beautiful. We'll show everyone at the end, okay?
Is it not?
Yes.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain Stuart welcoming you aboard the Royal Yacht Britannia. We'll be sailing at a speed of 45 knots on our way to Edinburgh, where you will disembark and drive to Balmoral. Are you ready?
Yeah, I can see on the screen.
I'm going to Balmoral. Whoa. Sailing up to Scotland. Whoa. I'm gonna see my girlfriend. Whoa. Cause she's the Queen of England. Being royal family, such a busy life. I need a holiday with the wife. Sailing on Britannia. It's our yacht. It's all we've got. Yeah. Whoa. We're going to Balmoral. Whoa. Sailing up to Scotland. Yeah. Whoa. Gonna see my girlfriend.
On the sea, innit?
Whoa. Cause she's the Queen of England. Yeah. Might do some fishing. Might have a barbecue. Now we're on holiday. We do what we want to do. No more royal engagements. Liz and I are feeling high. Yeah. Whoa, we're going to Balmoral. Yeah, you get it. Whoa, we're sailing up to Scotland. Whoa, staying with my girlfriend. Whoa, cause she's the Queen of England. Might do some fishing or have a barbecue. Now we're on holiday, we do what we want to do. No more royal engagements. Liz and I feeling high. Yeah, ready? Whoa, we're going to Balmoral. Whoa, sailing up to Scotland. Whoa, we're going to Balmoral. Whoa, going up to Scotland. Yeah. Yeah. Being royal family, it's a busy life. We need a holiday with the wife. Sailing on the Royal Britannia. It's our yacht. Best we've got. Say, whoa, we're going to Balmoral. Whoa. That's it, yeah? There you go. So
They are roses, yeah.
that's part of the new musical, Life of Phillip. Now, so we go from, so we've done getting married, royal wedding, then Balmoral. Now I want to do the naval career. Prince Philip was in the Navy, wasn't he?
Right, Stuart.
Don't worry.
Are you ready to do the Navy?
Yep, he sure was.
I haven't got my
You can hear him, Jess. Don't
I
worry.
haven't got my uniform on. Never
You
mind.
got frozen. Stuart.
Don't worry, Jess. Doesn't matter.
Tell me in a minute, Jess. Tell me in
You
a
got
minute.
frozen.
Have I frozen? Have I? Oh, yeah. It'll free itself in a bit. Can you hear me though? That's,
Yeah,
as, long
you
as
do.
You were for a bit.
as long as you can hear me, that's fine.
Yeah, we can hear you.
can hear
Yeah, yeah. Okay, in the Navy.
In Navy.
You know that one in the
Yeah, I
Navy.
think it was what's the
You
top
know that
naval
one.
person called?
In the Navy.
That's the one. That's the one. That's it. Right. That's it. Rear Admiral. That must be Rear Admiral.
That's his footworker. Stuart.
Oh, well, I might
That's
call
his
her.
footworker.
I'll ask her to come in and wave to you in a minute.
Coffee.
Beautiful, Tony.
You might
Very
want to see the.
nice.
You might want to see the dog, might you? Right.
Do you get good coffee?
Okay, go through it.
Right, do you want to get your shaker,
They're
Tony?
in the Navy now.
In the Navy. Get your tambourine, Tom. Ready?
Stop rhythm. We want you. We want you for a new recruit.
Step in.
We want you. We want you. We want you for a new recruit. That's it. Where can you find pleasure? Search the world for treasure. Technology. Where can you begin to make your dreams come true? On the land or on the sea. Where can you learn to fly, play sports and skate and study oceanography? Sign up for the big and sailing in the grand when you dream of the in the Navy. You can sail the seven seas in the Navy.
We will put you down on my knees in the Navy.
You will make a stand in the Navy. You can see we need a hand in the Navy. Come on, protect your motherland in the Navy. Come on and join your fellow man in the Navy. Come on, you will make a stand in the Navy. In the Navy. We want you. We want you. We want you. We want you as new recruits. We want you. We want you. We want you as new recruits. That's it. Let's start the right note this time. Where, that's it. Where can you find pleasure? Search the world for treasure. Learn science, technology. Where can you begin to make your dreams come true? On the land or on the sea. Where can you learn to fly, play sports and skate and the oceanography? Sign up for the big sitting in the grandstand where your dreams are honesty. Are you ready? In the Navy. You can sail the seven seas in the Navy. You can put me down on knees in the Navy. Come on, you will make a stand in the Navy. You are getting to the Navy. Protect the motherland in the Navy. Join your fellow man in the Navy. You will make a stand in the Navy. We want you. We want you. We want you as a new recruit. We want you. We want you. We want you as a new recruit. Yeah. Okay, so we've done the wedding. We've done the holidays. We've done the naval career, but we haven't done the animal stuff, have we?
No,
Because
we
was it
haven't done him the fact that he was a famous carriage driver.
Oh, carriage driving, yeah. I couldn't find a song for that. But I've got a song for the
Hello,
animals, though.
Tom.
What about he's coming around the mountain?
Oh, yeah, we could do that in a minute. Yeah, that's a good one. Right, I'm going to try and squeeze some of these in now. So reggae. Let's do the animals. All right.
These are horses.
It's a little bit echoey today, so I think the Wi-Fi is a bit echoey.
Yes, he was really into his carriage driving.
Where Tom?
Where's Tom? Oh, I can see Tom. There he is. Hi,
Where
Tom. Okay, here we go. Right, can't find a key for this. Okay. So it's a bit of counting now, a little bit of counting, okay? The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, the elephant and the kangaroo. They all went into the yard, into the wildlife fun. The animals went in 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 3 by 3, the wasp, the ant, the bumblebee. They all went into the yard, into the wildlife fun. The animals went in 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 4 by 4, the hippopotamus got stuck in the door, and they all went into the dark to get out of the rain. Have I got up to a lot of animals in here saved? 5 now, 5. The animals went in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 5 by 5, hugging each other to keep alive, and they all went into the dark to get out of the rain. What's after 5? 4. 4 after 5. 6. That's it. Thanks, Jeff. The animals went in 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 6 by 6. They left the monkey because of his tricks, and they all went into the yard, the wildlife fun. The animals went in 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 7 by 7, the little pig thought he was heaven, and he all went into the yard to get out of the rain. After 7, what's after 7?
8.
8, thanks, Jeff.
8.
The animals went in 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 8 by 8. The turtle thought he was coming late, but they all went into the yard to get out of the rain. After 8 comes
9.
9, thanks, Jess. The animals went in 9 by 9, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 9 by 9, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 9 by 9, marching up in a long straight line, where they all went into the yard, thanks to the wildlife fun. Last one now.
Next one.
Oh, this is difficult, this isn't it?
10.
10, that's it, last one, okay. So you're saving the animals. The animals went to 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went to 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went to 10 by 10, the last one was a little red hen, they all went into the yard, next to the wildlife fun. They all went into the yard, next to the wildlife fun. They all went into the yard, next to the wildlife, worldwide lifetime fun. No, the world, the worldwide lifetime. No, I can't say. What am I trying to say?
Seashells on the seashore.
I'm trying to say the World Wildlife Fund. Is that right? World Wildlife Fund. That's it. I'm sure he has something to do with that.
Claire got noddy.
Oh, I like Noddy. Thanks, Claire. Right, time's running a bit, so I'm going to go straight for. I'm going to do a little bit of coming around the mountain for the carriage driving.
Yeah, my favourite.
Sarah suggested that.
A good one.
And then we're going to sing "God Save the Queen." You're getting the full works this morning.
Wow.
Oh, that's nice because Yeah, no, he was such a nice chap, Stuart.
Say all of us, and say all of us.
So cheer us all up. Sarah.
Oh yeah,
Keep us
definitely.
all going. Yeah, we all need it, don't we? Okay. We are coming round the mountain. Here we come. Phil is coming round the mountain. Here he comes. He is driving a big carriage. Driving a big carriage. He is coming round the mountain. Here he comes. He will win a big gold medal when he comes. He will win an Olympic medal when he comes. He will win an Olympic medal. Win an Olympic medal. Win an Olympic medal when he comes. Why yippee now? Singing hi-ya, yippee, here he comes. Singing hi-ya, yippee, here he comes. Hear the horses now. Singing hi-ya, yippee, hi-ya, yippee, hi-ya, yippee. Yay!
Sounded like a horse.
It did. I could hear the horses going in. I don't know who was doing the horses moving.
I was.
Was it you?
Stuart.
Yeah, I could hear that. That was good.
Stuart, did everybody see the photograph I sent through?
No, I couldn't. The link didn't quite work, Sarah.
Right, okay, yeah, no,
We'll do it again after we finished, then we'll.
hang on a minute, I've got an idea.
Oh, you're gonna show it to us on the screen. That'd be good.
Oh, that's my clock.
Right, there we're gone.
I'm here.
Oh, like you got your Union Jack there.
Oh, can you see that?
Yeah, there you are. There he is. Yes.
Just Sarah, did you?
Yeah, that's impressive.
Yeah. I've since been told that he was responsible with a chap who our group's named after for setting up the group.
Excellent.
No, he was really pleasant. I shall never wash this hand again, but I did.
Oh.
He's absolutely lovely.
So out of all of us, you have someone in our group has actually shaken hands with. Brilliant.
Yes,
So
yes, I wasn't sure how I was going to do it with my reins on, with my
Hey!
reins.
There we go. Look, we're
Cheers,
gonna. As soon as we finish,
Yeah,
I'll have a
that's
nice.
lovely.
I'm gonna have a nice cup of tea in this mug. Look, there we go. There he is.
Chris, yeah.
So give him a little salute.
The Duke gave you my gold Duke of Edinburgh at Windsor.
Oh, excellent.
Well, that's good.
That's good. Oh, it's got.
I've got so many happy memories for all of us then.
That is good. That is good. Got to think of the happy times, haven't we?
Oh yeah.
Okay, now God save the Queen, but we've done reggae style.
What's the Queen?
Okay, I'm
Yeah,
ready.
that's nice. We can see it later.
She loves to sing.
Yeah, it's okay.
Long live our Queen. Send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save the Queen. That's it. Rule Britannia, Britannia rules the waves. Britain never shall
be saved.
God save our
Gracious Queen. Love that, Stuart.
That's all right. No, time is running quickly, so let's do our reggae.
Oh.
Any plans for the rest of the day this week?
Not much.
Yes, you drink that.
I'm not sure what my plans are. Debbie's put herself back, so she's not doing too much. But she's going to help me with my bed this afternoon.
That sounds good. Yeah, so we're doing a bit of housework.
Yeah, just gentle housework.
Now, I've been suffering because I missed the charity shops, so I might be brave and go and see if any charity shops are open.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think the one I used to work at is still open.
Yeah.
They don't know every time, by the way, yet.
And then tomorrow morning, another exciting thing's happening tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to go swimming. I've got a swimming session booked.
Stuart's going swimming.
Stuart,
Yes.
That's nice.
where go you swimming?
Over the road in the Holiday Inn. Got a big, it's across from where I live. There's a big Holiday Inn with the pool. Yeah. And I belong to it, so
Yeah.
hopefully
Well,
I can start
enjoy
doing
that.
again. Yeah. Because I'm a very old man, you see, and it keeps my body
Tony
going.
wants to show you a
We're all going to come to the Holiday Inn now, Stu.
Oh, look. Have a look at Mary, Tom and Tony's screen.
Oh, that's nice.
There you go. Yay.
Chris,
No, Duke of Edinburgh.
And there we are.
With the Queen.
Husband who died. Do you remember, Jess? We don't know.
Yeah.
don't worry.
So don't worry. Let's,
Everybody head to the Holiday Inn.
are you ready?
I'm gonna die.
Don't worry about a thing. Everything's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Everything's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Feeling amazing on my doorstep, singing a sweet song. Singing, this is my message to all of you. You guys on the screen, all the guys that are going to watch it later. So, who's not here we want to wave to? Let's wave to Oliver.
Oliver.
Hi, Kieran.
And let's wave to Kieran.
Bye, Kieran.
I think John still watches them. I think John used to come.
Emma.
Yeah, it's Emma. Let's wave at all the people that are watching today. Polly, yeah. You might see him another time. Okay, you ready?
The end.
One love, one heart. Let's stick together. Feel alright. Till I see you next week. One love, one heart. Let's stick together. Don't worry about the thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing.
You won't be able to see
Every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Feeling amazing on my doorstep, singing a sweet song. Melodies brewing, this is my message. All of you, don't worry. One heart, let's stick together. Till I see you next week. Let's stick together. Take care, guys. Have a lovely week. Go easy.
Tony just wants to show you the picture.
Yep.
Go on,
Okay, let's have a
quickly.
look at Tony's picture.
That's lovely.
Let's get together and we'll be all right.
We will. What type of bird is that, Tony?
That's a J.
A
Jay.
jay, that's it.
Is it not?
Good drawing.
Good art. You couldn't do some good
Bye,
art. That.
Louise. Bye,
Pretty
Bye.
clever, isn't it?
Yeah. Enjoy your lunch. Yeah. Take care. Be good. You can't be good. Don't get caught. Okay.
The one.
Cool.
Bye.
I'll see you all next week.
Take care, everyone.
Have a good week. Look
Bye.
after yourselves. Look after each other. Okay.
You behave.
I'll always behave.
Yes, we always behave.
We're back for our second injection soon.
Are you? Oh, brilliant. Oh, that's good news.
June, I think. June. It's
Yeah,
only-
mine's on June 10th. Yeah, that's good. So not long now. It'll be a whole lot safer. Take care, guys.
Yeah, put like some. Thank you.